Hey, it's Crystal. I am out at Santee Circle Self-Storage. You can see that in the background. Had to drive out here to work on some updates with the gate. Just wanted to talk about security gates at self-storage facilities. So security gates are very important, that they work, that you have them. So you can see our security gate here behind me. And we just had a brand new motor. It's a LiftMaster. Put in a year ago. Yet it's a LiftMaster and it's a brand new, and it ran us about $7,000. And then we have a PDK keypad, and that is what I want to talk about. So with Easy Storage Solutions or Storable, they have gate software that you want to connect to secure your security gate. And when you do that, it's amazing because then people can text to open the gate, and it communicates with your motor and rolls the gate back remotely for you. You can see it on your security camera and you can roll it back. So it's a great system so that you can operate remotely. However, when security gates have problems and technical difficulties, you're having a gate tech on hand, and as your good friend is Clutch.